Okay.
Gear up.
Almost hearing swap paint there.
50%.
Oh, well, the red on the bottom.
50%. 50%. 25%. 50%.
Alright.
Whoa.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah, that's going to be a fun landing for both of us.
0.
There you go.
0. 25%. 0. 25%. Gear up.
Can't see it.
25%. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes. Percent. 50. 0. 25%. 50%. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. 50%. G-force 4.02. 50%. 25%. 0.
So did you put yours more toward the middle or behind the doors? Okay.
Sun's almost behind the
50%.
doctors are all depleted. That's right.
Look, Galen, this is what we need to do to yours.
Ooh. When he says roll, he means it.
50%. 0. 20. 50%. Altitude 507.6 feet.
low enough, he's gonna land from that there.
What are you doing?
Praise!
Says I'm ready to run.
25 for 50%.
As you powered
Gear
up, he
gear
quit
up.
looking at you. He knows it's going.
I've seen 2 deer. If I come early in the morning,
Yeah.
50%.
2 deer running around.
Yeah, there was
50%.
there's a family last time I was out here early.
Yeah, it was a mom and a fawn.
He doesn't know you turned. He's still.
50%.
He's still running out
Go
there.
ahead and
Where'd it
he's.
go?
Oh, he's after that big airplane up there.
I wonder if he is.
I bet that he is.
I don't know where he's going. He doesn't know where he's going. He's just going. Trace! Come by!
Time
Come
remaining
by.
3 minutes.
Well, I noticed that first time you flew it, it flew very well.
50%.
Here we go. Not too much correction.
50%.
Trace, where are you?
Where'd you go, buddy?
50%. 50%.
You're not letting me see you.
50%.
You'll be dead.
Do it. Get up corner of our
50%.
field. Our pasture, actually.
They had to land in your pasture.
Yep. And
We-
they weren't dumb. Hell, they carried another crop with them. And the wrenches.
Yeah,
50%.
from a helicopter.
Yup.
When I was in the Army, looks just like you're hovering in.